I'm Anita and my surname is T. I'm attached with the Japanese trading house and normally known as Sukoshisha. And I am actually heading the human resource and administration, supporting my division general manager in the operations here. I actually get to know gamification when I attended the talent ecosystem as well as Maker Convention when I participated in the convention. And to sum up what has been taught and what I've learned from here is basically on how to create a gamification strategy canvas on areas that we want to introduce gamification. And the idea is how to keep the audience or the players being engaged and have the motivation to challenge the next level and the next level and remember what they're doing. Yeah. So gamification makes learning fun and also engaging.